Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to go page 15 in one click in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software and we can see we open a document with many pages. Now you want to jump or go the page 15. Go to the layout option and we can see here the go to page option, otherwise press Ctrl J. Now I am press 15 page number, then click OK and we can see we on page 15. Here show the properties. Now we can see we jump or go the any page or specific page at once very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.